Hello everyone. Hello everyone. Hello everyone. Welcome to Code for Placement. In today's video, I'm just going to talk about what are the courses और कौन-कौन से courses हैं जो इस चैनल पे आप लोगों को मिलेंगे completely free of cost और of course ये चैनल सिर्फ like we will be not covering एक दो वीडियो करके फिर उसके बाद हम लोगों ने छोड़ दिया, ऐसा कुछ नहीं होने वाला. हम लोग एक्चुअली सारे कोर्सेज को लेके आएंगे हिंदी में. If you want it to be in English, you should comment down. I will bring the English audio as well. और मोस्टली हिंदी इंग्लिश दोनों मिक्स में रहेगा क्योंकि आई एम कंफर्टेबल विद दैट. सो ऑफ कोर्स जो भी वीडियो रहेगा वो इंग्लिश हिंदी बोथ में रहेगा. और स्लोली ग्रेजुअली बहुत सारे कोर्सेज इसके साथ आने वाले हैं. इट्स नॉट लाइक कि सिर्फ लाइक कुछ कोर्सेज रहेंगे एंड वी विल बी डन विद दैट. So of course we will be bringing many videos and many courses along with this. So I'm just going to talk in this video. आज के इस वीडियो में हम लोग बस बातें करने वाले हैं और इस बात में हम लोग ये चेक करेंगे कौन कौन से कोर्सेज आने वाले हैं और उन कोर्सेज में क्या क्या हम लोग कवर करेंगे. So it's like entire complete course whatever we are going to cover in this channel Code for Placement. और वो कहाँ तक आपके लिए हेल्पफुल रहेगा, क्या क्या चीज़ें आपको मिलेंगी, अदर सोर्स कोड्स और डाउन द लाइन आई विल बी ब्रिंगिंग अप द sure Narasana. I will be bringing the title as well as if it is comfortable for English, I will be bringing up the English alone. It's not like I just wanted to make sure that moreover if I'm explaining also in Hindi na, so the terms, the technologies, the flow, everything I will be keeping it in English alone. So I think that will be pretty much clear and I will try to whatever I'm going to deliver, I will be trying to deliver entire end to end. It's not like only just a few things to be covered and other things I won't be covering up. Definitely I will be covering the entire stack for that particular course. And thank you for your suggestion, Narasana. It's mean a lot to me, and I will be bringing up the course in English. Definitely, you will feel that this is your channel and you can up for it. And definitely, I have uploaded recently few videos on SQL so far, and what are the things we are going to cover in SQL and other technologies I'm going to talk about. So make sure that you give suggestion on those videos as well. If it is suitable to you, I will be suitable for all, I will be making keep continuing to make those videos, else will improve going further. And yeah, your all suggestions are on top priority for me. So this is the first thing. Now let's talk about what are the courses we are going to cover in this channel. So let me make it up. So I will be starting from SQL. So on the first, we will be starting the SQL part. SQL, or we can call it as SQL. Okay, SQL. So this SQL will also cover MySQL. So basically, this SQL I'm going to cover with MySQL, and here I will be covering most of the topics, whatever is required in terms of for interview, as well as to it is ready for beyond the interview as well. Like, it's not just the interview, we can cover end to end from SQL. We'll start creating a table. That will be our starting point, that we will be creating the table. Along with that table, I will be talking about we'll start with table, and from this table I will be what are the basic queries, like select, where condition, to insert the record or to delete the record. Those things will be covered in the table. Then we'll go to the multiple table. Multiple table is basically for in joins. So here we will be talking about the join. Join means we will be talking about inner join, natural join, like all types of join, whatever we have covered so far, that we are going to talk about. And apart from this, if we are going to talk on retrieving from a single table, we will be talking about retrieving from the single table, the record which we are going to store it in the single table, we are going to retrieve. So that we will be talking about in retrieving to the single table, as well as to the multiple tables. So basically, when we talk about the multiple table, retrieving the record from the multiple table, that will be basically on join. So when we use join, that time we will be using the multiple table to retrieve it. Hope this what we are going to talk right now is always convenient for you, and you can able to understand whatever we are talking it now. Do subscribe this channel, and do share with others. Do comment your suggestions on this below, so I can understand what is your need, and I can improve those parts as well. I will make sure that whatever I am going to deliver, I will be delivering into the simplest way, so that you can able to capture those things. Okay, so this is all about the SQL. Then this first two topics, okay, that is a retrieving the data from the single table, retrieving the data from the multiple table. Okay, do subscribe to this Code for Placement and share this channel with others, and comment down on the suggestion box. Now this is the second topic, correct? Now we'll talk about the retrieving the data from the multiple tables. Okay, that we have already checked. The third thing which we are going to talk about is inserting or updating or deleting the record. Okay, inserting, updating, or deleting data from data table. So that is the third point in SQL which we are going to cover. And the fourth point which we will be covering it as summarizing the data, like whatever we have covered it so far from the first to third, we will be summarizing into the fourth thing. So almost I am planning to make almost 100 plus videos on SQL in this course, SQL Complete Course, and that will be live on YouTube. Okay, so summarizing the data. So that is my fourth topic which we will be covering it. Then the fifth one is we will be practice more on writing complex queries. So writing complex query is the fifth complex data or complex query, you can say, retrieving the complex data and writing the complex query. So this is my fifth topic which we are going to cover in the SQL course. Okay, so होप आपको ये चीज़ें समझ में आ रही हैं. अगर आपको समझ में आ रही है, डू सब्सक्राइब and do comment on the down below so that I can reply back. This live session is just to interact with you guys. So अभी हम जो भी बता रहे हैं बेसिकली इस वीडियो में हम लोग सिर्फ ये डिस्कस करने जा रहे हैं that what all the courses we are going to cover it on Code for Placement. So the पहला कोर्स जो होगा वो होगा SQL में. So SQL is basically what all the things we have covered it so far, और कौन कौन से टॉपिक्स हैं जो अभी हम लोग कवर करने वाले हैं, राइट. सो दोज थिंग्स वी विल बी डिस्कसिंग इन दिस वीडियो, राइट. सो फर्स्ट हम लोग डिस्कस कर रहे हैं एसक्यूएल के बारे में. सो राइटिंग अ कॉम्प्लेक्स डेटा क्वेरी और समराइजिंग द डेटा, और we can have essential mysql functions. So we'll talk about mysql functions also, or what are the mysql functions which is more likely to be asked in interviews, and also what are the mysql functions. So basically mysql function is we have few set of functions which is frequently asked. Okay, so that we are going to talk about after we will be completing with the complex query. Okay, hope this is clear. Then the third thing which we will be talking is next thing which we will be talking about is views. Okay, so in SQL we will be talking about views as well. Okay, this is the views which we will be talking with respect to SQL और MySQL. Okay, so ये जो views है ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक है. अगेन अपार्ट फ्रॉम ज्वाइन के बाद जो व्यूज आते हैं ये बहुत थोड़े ट्रिकी क्वेश्चंस है एंड इसको समझने के लिए सो दैट विल बी आवर नेक्स्ट टॉपिक विच वी विल बी कवरिंग इन अपकमिंग वीडियोस, व्यूज. देन द नेक्स्ट वीडियोस इज कमिंग ऑन स्टोर प्रोसीजर. So the store procedure is something which is again PL/SQL. So इसको हम लोग बोल सकते हैं PL/SQL. PL/SQL means वो procedure that will be stored in our database that will be called time to time in case if we need it. So that we call it as store procedure. ठीक, store procedure basically हमें like it allows us to work on the same like suppose if you want something to be called frequently or to be used frequently, so those queries we are going to write it inside the store procedure and keep it in the SQL, and every time we need to execute those set of queries we will be calling it directly from the store procedure. Okay, so this is one topic which we will be talking about, store procedure. That will be PL/SQL, how to write the store procedure, what are the if else logic, we will be talking about the store procedure. So that we will be talking about inside the store procedure. Then triggers and events. Okay, so the next topic we will be talking about is trigger and event. So next topic will be triggers and events. Okay, triggers and event. Triggers and events is the next topic. Then the transactions and concurrency is our next topic after triggers and event got completed. So that will be transactions and concurrency. So on this video, in this video, again I'm repeating, in this video we are just talking about what are the topics which we are going to cover inside our SQL and MySQL course which is already live. Few of the videos are already live on this channel, few of them are yet to be live. We are working on this to make it live, and we have covered almost first two topics. We will be covering a lot of topics. So the topic which we will be discussing right now is transaction and concurrency in SQL, and the next topic after transactions and concurrency is nothing but data type. Okay, what all the data type is available in SQL. So this is one of the mastery course which will have end-to-end knowledge of SQL. Okay, so we will be talking about what is a data type available in SQL. Correct. So what all types of data types available in SQL, then designing the database. Okay, so we will be also talking about designing the database in this course, designing database on this course. And again, I'm telling you, this course is completely free on YouTube, completely no charges, no course, no paid course I'm going to launch on this channel in any future, in any random future. So I will be just requesting you all to subscribe to this channel, and there is no paid courses at all. जो भी हम ये topics discuss कर रहे हैं आपको लोगों के साथ, और whatever the topics I'm going to cover up in this channel, whatever the topics which we are discussing it right now will be available on my channel Code for Placement without any paid subscription. It will be visible and free for every single user on YouTube. Okay, so that is the next topic, which is design database. Design database is the next topic. Then the next topic is indexing of high performance. Okay, indexing of high performance. Indexing for high performance. So we will be checking what is indexing and how indexing will improve your performance, that we are going to see next. Okay, first of all, we will check what is indexing, and then we will be checking what is how the indexing is going to improve your day-to-day concept, or how indexing is going to improve your performance, database performance. So indexing is again one of the important topic to be covered on. Okay, indexing is one of the topic to be covered across. Okay, so indexing, index creation, index using, after creating the index, how to retrieve those index and make your query, or whatever the query you are executing on the database is coming on a faster note. So those things we are going to cover into the indexing part. Then last but not the least topic, which will be security. Okay, or securing the database. So this is the last topic which we will be covering, securing the databases, which we will be covering into the SQL course. So this SQL course is completely free, and it is not having just a demo part or few videos on it. It is having end-to-end video from first video to the last video. It is having, and from first to last video, and it is having completely available on YouTube. Okay, so this course which we have talked about just now is SQL for MySQL, and it will start from tables, then multiple tables, where we will be using join. So first we'll check how to retrieve the record from single table and multiple tables. Then we will be talking about the index, like inserting, updating, deleting, summarizing the data, writing the complex data query, and MySQL functions, whatever we are going to cover. Then views, whatever the views are there in the MySQL and SQL. Then what is a store procedure, right? PLSQL, or what is a store procedure we are going to use. Then triggers and event, how we are going to trigger the event. Then transactions and concurrency, how we are going to use the transactions and how we will be concurrencing for those. So that is we are going to use. Then data type, what all the data types available for MySQL, designing the database, index of high performance, indexing, securing the database. These are all the topics which we'll be covering in the MySQL course. Hope it is very much audible and clear for you all. If it is clear, do comment down, do comment on this channel, on this comment section, so that I can answer you. And if you have any questions, do let me know, and yeah, I can give you all the answers whatever you have. In case you are having any query, please let me know right now. Please let me know if you have any query.
Gang kind of whole.
वीडियो आज के इस वीडियो में हम लोग बस बातें करने वाले हैं और उस बात Hello everyone. So yeah, so this is all we have it for today, and let me know if you have any sort of questions or any and need to be addressed. अभी हम लोगों ने सिर्फ ये डिस्कस किया है दैट जो हमारा कोर्स चल रहा है ऑन कोड फॉर प्लेसमेंट, व्हाट ऑल द टॉपिक्स वी विल बी कवरिंग अप एंड like what all the topics we have already covered, what all the topics we will be covering in this particular course, which is complete SQL course. Means SQL is complete SQL we will be having it's not just a few of the courses which we will be covering. The complete course we will be finishing off in this like channel. Okay, so do subscribe to Code for Placement, guys. If you have anything to be asked, or if you have anything to be addressed, please let me know. I'm happy to address all those questions. And yes guys, let me know if you have any questions, any query, anything you have. I'm there for you. So I'm again going to repeat what all the topics which we have covered, what all the topics which we are going to cover, what all the things which we will be covering in like in this channel on this course MySQL. So basically MySQL is the course which we have started in this channel, and of course those courses will be always be available, and that will be free of cost. It won't be having any sort of subscription or any sort of charges to be asked or to be taken from any of the members. So basically अगर आपको कोई भी डाउट है, you can comment down below and ask it. And also if you have any sort of ask or doubt, you can comment on the anywhere on this channel, any video down. I will be replying sooner on this one. And yeah, this is all we have. So basically I'm just going to repeat what all the things which we will be covering. So SQL, MySQL, we will be covering creating the table, multiple tables, inserting, updating, deleting, summarizing the data, then writing the complex query and retrieving the complex data. MySQL functions, whatever the MySQL function which is frequently being asked. Views is one of the topic which has to be covered in a very descriptive way. So, and also store procedure, what all the store procedure we will be using it for MySQL. A trigger and event, what is the triggers and the event. Transactions and concurrency, a transaction and concurrency. Data type, design and designing the database. Indexing for high performance, and also securing the database. These are the topics which we will be covering in this SQL complete course. So this course is completely free, and it is available for complete course. It is available for each of you, and without any charges, without any further subscription. Okay? So do subscribe this channel, and this is what the least asked, or this is what the most asked from my side. That will motivate me to make more such videos. So yeah, that's all we have it for now, and we will meet you in the next live or in the next videos. So till then, keep learning and keep exploring, keep supporting like code for placement. And this is all. So if you have anything to be asked, I am there for next 30 seconds or 1 minute. If you have anyone can have any queries, you can ask it. I will be replying it sooner. I will be responding it immediately. So this is all I have it for now. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you. Thank you so much, guys. We'll meet in the next video or in the next live session. Thank you so much for being with us. Thank you.